Hello again. This is Brian Wallace over at Coin Laundry Association, working on a series of videos here, bringing you up to speed on all the amazing plans for excellence in laundry. Coming up May 9th to the 11th in San Diego at the Rancho Bernardo Inn, just an incredible, beautiful setting. And we've been talking about the incredible content and the beautiful venue and the opportunity to see tabletop exhibits from all of our major manufacturers and service providers. But there's more. Yes, we have a new standalone program that's going to run the day before Excellence, and that is our Women's Laundry Network. This is a initiative that has been growing in the last year or so. Hundreds and hundreds of you attended the Women in Laundry luncheon that we had at the Clean Show back in August, and here we are. That task force took the reins along with some amazing members of our team here, and have really started to build out this initiative to support women in our industry and provide opportunities for all of you to work together to grow your careers, improve the industry, and really have the outsized impact that you can have on our industry. So for the first time ever, we've created a full day program. So building on that luncheon opportunity, we're going to do a full day on Tuesday, May 9th, which is the day prior to the Excellence program. And the task force that's been put together from those of you that had such a great experience back in August have really authored this program. So I'm just in a position to kind of share out the incredible lineup and value that you all have put together. So our keynote speaker is going to be Carolyn O'Neill. It's called Develop Your Voice Through Radical Conviction. And be sure to go to the website and get her background. But she's just an incredible leader for women in business. And she's got really a lot of not just inspirational content to share, but things that you can really act on to build out your career. We're going to also do a panel session specifically with women in vended laundry, really getting to hear from your peers, and not just store owners. It's store owners, it's representatives from distributors, representatives from our manufacturers and service providers. So it's really going to be a powerhouse group. There's a second keynote, which is going to be Daniela Levitt. She's the executive director of Leading Women Executives. She's doing a program on strategic networking to achieve your goals. And she's been doing this a long time. She's really mastered the art of networking in a strategic fashion and how that can be leveraged to improve your trajectory and your path. And we're just really lucky to have her on the program. We're going to do a little roundtable discussion on strategic networking. We're also going to spend a few minutes talking with you about our brand new mentoring program for women in laundry. And this is beyond exciting to me. I just think this is incredible and comes right out of the workshop that the task force has been working on all of this. So it's an opportunity for an event just for women in laundry. It's tied in terms of the day before Excellence. So you have an opportunity to attend both, one or the other, but certainly you'll have the opportunity to get a full day program dedicated to our Women in Laundry initiative. So all the details are at coinlaundry.org. I really hope you can join us. It's a beautiful venue, incredible people, and I know that you're going to get a lot out of it. So hope to see you May 9th for the Women in Laundry conference, just ahead of our Excellence in Laundry program. So we'll see you in May in San Diego.